Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering NECO 2019 Office Practice Past Question 32. Which of the following is not an importance of office procedure? It's A. Increases energy. B. Provides easy access to documents. C. Reduces fatigue. D. Reduces wastage. And E. Saves time. So we are asked for the importance of office practice and office procedure. Now, what is office procedure? Office procedure simply refers to what? The ways. It refers to the ways every organization carry out their business activities. It simply refers to what every organization do, how they do it, when they do it, and how they do these things. And that is office procedure. And this office procedure has several importance. It's very important in an organization. Now A here says, the question says we should pick an option which is not an importance of office procedure. Now option A says increases energy. Now office procedure do not increase energy at all. It do not increase energy. B says provide easy access to documents. Yes, office procedure provides easy access to get documents because it enables for these documents to be easily located. C says reduces fatigue. Yes, office procedure helps to reduce fatigue, and it also helps to reduce wastage. And also save time and energy. It saves time and energy, but it does not increase energy. It saves time and it saves energy. It reduces fatigue by saving energy, reduces wastage, and provides easy access to documents. But then office procedure do not increase energy. And so therefore option A is the answer to this question, because it is not an importance of office procedure. Thank you and God bless you. Ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos.